In this video, we will look at the idea of reciprocals. So here is a problem, 2 times half. So 2 times half is really 2 halves, and that is equal to 1. Let's look at another problem. We have 1/78 times 78, and that is equal to 78/78, and that is equal to 1 again. Let's look at a third problem. 2/3 times 3 halves. And the way we do this is multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. And we have 6/6, and that again is equal to 1. So what we have encountered here are reciprocals. So this is how it's spelled, reciprocal. And a reciprocal of a number, say x, is another number 1 over x, so that the product x times 1 over x equals 1. So if we have this definition, 0 does not have a reciprocal. So let me write that down, does not have a reciprocal. And the reason is there is no number which when multiplied by 0 that gives you 1. So 0 does not have a reciprocal. How do you find the reciprocal of a number? If you are given a number 3, the reciprocal of 3 is 1/3. That's because 3 times 1/3 equals 3/3, and that is equal to 1. What if you're given 1/4? The reciprocal of 1/4 is 4, because 1/4 times 4 equals 4/4, and that again is equal to 1. What if you're given 3/4? The reciprocal of 3/4 is 4/3, because 3/4 times 4/3 equals, you would multiply the numerators over, you multiply the denominators, and 3 times 4 is the same as 4 times 3. In this case it's 12, so you have 12 over 12, and that is equal to 1 again. So essentially the rule is that when you are given a number, to find the reciprocal, switch the numerator and the denominator. But how does this work for a number like 3? 3 doesn't have a denominator, but we can rewrite 3 as a fraction, because every whole number can be rewritten as a fraction. So 3 is the same as 3 over 1, and the reciprocal of 3 over 1 is 1 over 3. Again, if we have 1/4, the reciprocal of 1/4, if we follow this rule, is really 4 over 1. And 4 over 1 is the same as 4. So to review the rule again for finding the reciprocal of a number, when you're given a number, if it's a whole number, you can rewrite that as a fraction. And then to find the reciprocal, you switch the numerator and the denominator, and you get the reciprocal. Reciprocals are also called multiplicative inverse. So this is how it's written, multiplicative inverse. The concept of reciprocals is simple, but it's really powerful. We will use reciprocals for dividing fractions and solving equations in later videos.